M16C tapping machine. Operation video. 1. Machine installation. First, install the base of the tapping machine on the workbench and lock the false screws in sequence. Adjust the positioning ring to the appropriate height according to different situations. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the optical axis cover. Put the machine into the optical axis of the foot so that the bottom is close to the positioning ring, and then tighten the optical axis cover clockwise. And then check the flexibility of the machine, front and rear, left and right. After the inspection, the machine installation has been completed. 2. Refueling model demonstration. Rotate the bottom oil pot positioning ring. Remove the oil tank, open the oil tank cover. Add special oil for tapping. The maximum volume of the fuel tank is 200 milliliters. Reinstall the fuel tank in sequence. Insert 8 mm trachea into the bottom connection port, and it is recommended to install the air source switch connection valve at the air pipe. 3. Operation demonstration. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Click the screen to enter the general processing page. Click the user parameter in the lower left corner. Click the fuel injection setting to select the fuel injection mode. A represents the fuel injection mode in the automatic tapping mode, and M represents the fuel injection mode in the manual tapping mode. Click to select the corresponding mode. Click the screw thread selection in the upper left corner of the screen, and select the thread corresponding to the tap size. Click the tapping speed. Select the corresponding speed to confirm. Then click to exit the screw speed. Select the corresponding speed to confirm. Press return, and then click the normal processing page. If this function is not selected, you can directly skip this item. And put the tap chuck into the quick chuck of the tapping machine head. Rotate the 2 adjustment knobs on the sprayer to adjust the air output and oil output. 4. Manual tapping mode. Hold the handle of the tapping machine by hand. Press down to align with the hole position of the workpiece. Activate the tapping button switch on the top of the handle until the tap taps into the desired depth, and then press the button switch on the top of the handle to withdraw the thread until the tap can completely withdraw from the workpiece. Five. Automatic tapping mode. Click the depth setting to set the required depth for tapping, and click to switch the manual mode to the automatic mode. Hold the handle of the tapping machine with your hand. Press down to align with the hole position of the workpiece. Activate the tapping button switch above the handle. Release the finger of the tapping button switch, and the motor will rotate according to the pitch of the tap until the set depth, which can achieve automatic rotation. 6. Deep hole machining mode. Depths according to the hardness or depth of different materials, and switch the manual mode to the automatic mode. Click the deep hole machining page. Click the blade selection. Select the thread of the corresponding size of the tap. Click depth setting. Set the required depth for tapping. Click the tapping depth. You can adjust the corresponding tapping depth and thread retraction. If the tap size is different, you need to click screw thread selection again. Select the appropriate pitch size, and set the required depth for tapping. Seven. Workpiece storage function. Click the workpiece page. Click the workpiece column. Select the required thread size, speed and depth for storage. This function can store a total of 20 items. Follow the above steps to store the required tapping size. Next time you need to tap the same size thread. You can directly click the workpiece page to select the stored thread size. Eighth, multi-directional horizontal tapping. First, loosen the two fixing screws on the left and right sides of the universal head. Rotate the universal head to an 90-degree horizontal plane, so that the quick chuck and the workpiece are in a horizontal state. Tighten the two fixing screws on the left and right sides of the universal head. Multi-directional horizontal tapping. Convert multi-directional horizontal tapping back to vertical tapping. First, loosen the two fixing screws on the left and right sides of the universal head. Align the universal head with the vertical positioning slot and push it to the end. And then fasten the left and right sides of the universal head. Tighten the screw. 9th, external thread die tapping. Put the die set into the quick chuck on the head of the tapping machine. Hold the handle of the tapping machine with your hand. Press down to align with the workpiece and activate the tap button switch on the top of the handle until the desired depth is reached. Press the button switch on the top of the handle to eject the die until the workpiece is completely ejected. It is also possible to select the size of the screw, thread and set the depth according to the actual situation. Set depth and switch the manual mode to the automatic mode. Just press the button on the handle to start the tapping, and the motor will rotate according to the size of the screw pitch until the set depth, which can realize automatic rotation. Tenth, chamfering function. Put the assembled drill chuck into the quick chuck of the tapping machine head. Hold the handle of the tapping machine with your hand. Press down to align with the hole position of the workpiece, and activate the tapping button switch above the handle to complete the hole chamfering. Eleventh, tap extension rod tapping. When the required tapping threaded hole is lower than the workpiece plane, and normal tapping cannot be achieved, the tap extension rod can be selected to achieve tapping. Bolt mode. Click the mode selection. Click the user parameter in the lower left corner of the screen. Elect the screen mode. Click to select the material grid of the first stage and second stage bolts. The size of the bolts, adjust the appropriate speed, and appropriately reduce the torque of the first stage, and combine the torque of the second stage to achieve the ideal effect. Hold the handle of the tapping machine with your hand. Press down to align with the bolt, and activate the tapping button switch above the handle until the bolt is tightened.